Well, welcome in. Hi, goat. Hi, labs. Drink real quick. It's great to see you. Excuse me, guys. So, hi. It's nice to see you all. We're gonna set the microphone and everything up very soon. Can you see me? Can you hear me? What do you think of that little riff? All clear. Cool. Labs, I'm glad you're here. I taught myself a trick the other day, but I forgot. It was like I dreamt it. Oh, there it is. You hear that now? There's a way you can bend the note, make it like... This is a handpan drum. Hi, Aaron. It's good to see you. So, we'll try to think of a name for that one next. It's kind of all over the place, but... Anyways, how's everyone doing? Please share the live out. Let's bring some more friends in here. The algorithm for you page sucks, so let's bring in some more beautiful people to heal and hang out with us tonight. Also, I'm going to be unpacking some of my other instruments, so very exciting. We got the shaman drum hung. So everything's looking pretty good, I would say. That's my knees popping because I don't do yoga enough. Wow, it's bright. How's everyone doing? It's really good to see you all. Thanks for stopping in. The first instrument I'm gonna unpack tonight me getting old. Is everyone else getting older? Or is it just me? Because it's probably the worst thing that's ever happened to me. I'm doing pretty well. Today was my day off, so my last day off. Tomorrow I gotta hit the ground running. I'm gonna wake up early and go move some more. I'm almost done moving, y'all, so we're pretty much done setting up everything here, by the way. I've got a few more plans, but this is pretty much it. The drum looks sick, by the way. That looks awesome. Pulled up that For You page right away. Thanks for all your tapping the screen, and thanks for sharing. Aging makes me existential. Hey Angel, how are you? It's great to see you all. Alright, shall we? I've been unpacking some of my instruments every day. I'm glad I saved that box. I have a perfect spot for it. What do you think? Thank you so much. Your room looks great. Hi Tina. Oh yeah, fairy noises, yeah. For sure. And one more thing. Yeah, let's turn it. I found these really cool tea lights. Let me show you. I always feel like Steve from Blue's Clues. Or usually like Mr. Rogers. Saying, hello, neighbor, how are you? How have you been today? I'm proud of you. Can't believe I caught you, it's been a while. Hi Allie Ray, it's great to see you. Hi Melissa, thanks for joining. Check it out, so, got these guys. It's very simple.